Welcome to section 7 of Motivation for Peak Performance. Let's continue our previous discussion on inspiration. Before tagging people as unmotivated, check for other things. Maybe they're not simply just are unmotivated. If they are really unmotivated and we hired them, then we are partly responsible for them. We need to inspire people. That's part of our role as leaders and managers. We need to inspire them to the point that they would rather stay with us, even if in challenging times, that they would stay with us even through COVID, that they would stay with us even if we are having financial difficulties because of the current pandemic. They would stay with us because I think it's the Tagalog word is malasakit. They have malasakit because they are inspired to go to work because they find meaning. They find meaning in what they do. They have a sense of purpose. Share the last time that you inspired the people around you and how did they react? Thank you.